But what are the main uses of Python anyway? Python is a really popular programming language and people love using Python because of its simplicity. You write the code, but it doesn't really look like code. The syntax feels almost like English. You're just writing some logic and it's getting converted to code. But what are the main uses of Python anyway? Well, because of its great syntax, Python has got adoption from multiple domains. You can use Python for data science with many popular libraries like NumPy and Pandas being available. You can also use Python for artificial intelligence and machine learning using tools like scikit and TensorFlow. And even web development can be done in Python with backend web frameworks like Django, Flask, and Fast API. And generally speaking, if you want to just write scripts to fetch data, automate some boring tasks, Python is a really good tool for all of those use cases as well. So these are just some places in which Python are used. Where do you use Python? Let us know in the comments below, and let us know what other topics you'd like to, for us to cover in the comments below as well. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and do share this video with all of your friends. Thank you so much.